Home kitchens thrive when preserving fresh harvests turns simple. Best Food Dehydrator for home use models deliver consistent results for fruits, meats, and herbs. Choosing wisely means matching capacity, noise levels, and controls to everyday cooking routines and family snack demands. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Cosori 7-Tray Food Dehydrator. This model stands out for households that want more drying room without stepping into oversized commercial territory. 6 stainless steel trays deliver 6.5 square feet of space, roughly 27% more than typical 7-tray units, so you can process larger batches of apple slices, herbs, or jerky in one go. A 600-watt motor paired with a rear-mounted fan and improved airflow moves heat evenly across every level, removing the need to rotate trays midway through a cycle. A sheet, a manual, and a 50-recipe booklet, giving newcomers clear starting points. Build quality feels solid for regular home use, and the digital panel keeps operations straightforward. One minor point is that the unit is marketed with a 7-tray label, yet arrives with 6, so buyers should note the actual capacity. Overall, it suits families or meal preppers who value quiet performance, generous space, and reliable, even drying without constant supervision, offering strong everyday value for the features provided.
Number 2. Commercial Food Dehydrator 18 trays. When volume matters most, this large capacity unit steps in with 18 trays measuring about 15.67 inches square each, creating over 34 square feet of usable drying area. That scale works well for households that process bulk garden produce or for small businesses preparing jerky and fruit leather regularly. Included accessories expand versatility: 4 fruit roll trays, 2 hanging racks, 20 hooks, 18 non-stick silicone sheets, a drip tray, heat-resistant gloves, and 2 storage containers. Tempered glass front door lets you check progress without opening the unit. Overheat protection adds a safety layer for unattended runs. The sheer size means it requires dedicated counter or floor space and may feel oversized for light users. Yet for anyone routinely drying large quantities of vegetables, meats, or flours, it delivers practical capacity and durable performance that justifies the footprint. Number 3. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator Machine. Built entirely of stainless steel inside and out, including the trays, this unit prioritizes durability and heat resistance for frequent home dehydrating. The 600-watt rear fan system pushes consistent airflow, so every tray dries evenly without hot spots or the need for rotation, handling jerky, fruit, herbs, and full batches with reliable results. Temperature control spans 95 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 1-degree increments. Out the safety features. The solid construction supports long-term use and resists the wear that lighter plastic models can show. Cleanup stays manageable with the stainless trays. It may run a bit warmer at the upper limit than some competitors, yet that extra range proves useful for meat-based recipes. Ideal for cooks who want set-it-and-forget-it convenience, precise control, and a machine built to last through repeated seasons of preserving. It balances power and thoughtful extras into dependable everyday performance. Number 4. CROWNFUL Food Dehydrator Machine. Efficient, even drying comes from the 600-watt motor, rear fan, and 360-degree hot air circulation that moves heat uniformly so trays finish at the same rate. Noise stays at or below 48 decibels, keeping the kitchen quieter during multi-hour cycles. The digital touchscreen panel with fingerprint-resistant surface lets you set temperature between 85 and 165 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer up to 24 hours in 30-minute increments. The unit then shuts off automatically. Paper waste.
Compared with more industrial options, the capacity feels right-sized for typical home batches of fruit, vegetables, or snacks rather than commercial volumes. One practical note is the 24-hour maximum timer, which covers most home recipes yet falls short of longer, continuous runs some users prefer. For everyday cooks seeking quiet, even results, straightforward controls, and a thoughtfully designed machine that cleans up easily, it delivers solid performance and good long-term value. Number 5. LEM BigBite Food Dehydrator Machine. Homemade dried snacks become straightforward with this unit that handles meat, vegetables, fruit, yogurt, and more. An 800-watt heating element combined with a rear-mounted fan and rear venting creates horizontal airflow for consistent results across the trays. 10 square feet of drying space comes from 10 stainless steel trays, each measuring roughly 12 inches square with a 3/8-inch grid that can be rotated if desired. Warranty and lifetime customer support, plus availability of replacement parts, provide extra reassurance for long-term ownership. The capacity suits families who dry moderate to large amounts, yet still fits on a standard counter better than the biggest commercial models. Higher wattage helps reach target temperatures efficiently, though the maximum timer of 24 hours may require restarting for very long recipes. Overall, it serves home users who want reliable, even drying, easy monitoring, and strong after-sales backing in a practical, well-built package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.